Hey, what's up everyone? Marcus here. Today I'm diving into a question that has been buzzing around for a while now. Will augmented reality, or AR, replace our beloved smartphones? Let's get into it. Okay, so smartphones have been our go-to tech for over a decade now. They've evolved from simple devices for calls and texts to powerful mini computers that fit in our pockets. But what if the next big leap in tech isn't just a better smartphone, but something entirely different? That's where AR comes in. For those who aren't familiar, augmented reality is a technology that overlays digital information onto the real world. Think of it like Pokemon Go, but on steroids. Imagine having your entire digital life, from notifications to navigation, projected right in front of your eyes. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Major players like Apple and Google are investing heavily in AR tech. Just take a look at Apple's AR Kit and Google's AR Core. These platforms are already enabling developers to create mind-blowing AR experiences. And let's not forget about the much-anticipated Apple Vision Pro, which promises to bring AR to the masses in a big way. But the real question is, can AR actually replace smartphones? There are a few hurdles to overcome. First off, hardware. AR devices like smart glasses need to be lightweight, stylish, and comfortable enough to wear all day. Plus, they need to have impressive battery life, which is no small feat. Then there's the software. We need seamless integration of AR into our daily routines. It has to be more than just cool. It needs to be useful. Imagine getting directions while walking without having to look down at your phone, or receiving notifications right in your field of vision without breaking your stride. Privacy and security are also big concerns. With AR, you're essentially wearing cameras on your face. That opens up a whole new can of worms regarding data security and privacy. Companies will need to address these issues if they want consumers to adopt AR widely. So will AR replace smartphones? It's hard to say for sure. But one thing is clear. AR has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the digital world. It might not completely replace smartphones anytime soon, but it could definitely become an integral part of our tech ecosystem. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think AR will take over, or will smartphones remain king? Catch you in the next one.